The next question says a thin wire of length L and uniform linear mass density rho is bent into a circular loop with center O as shown. The diagram which is given over here, this is the loop, this is point O, and this is a line x dash which is tangential. Further, the question says the moment of inertia of the loop about the axis x dash. About this axis they want us to find the moment of inertia. Now we can clearly see when the wire is rounded like this, it can be called a ring, and that means we can have one axis passing through its center and parallel to the plane of the ring, and that will be called as IC, and we want to find the moment of inertia about this. We can use parallel axis theorem. So we can say I required is IC plus mh square. Now here we need to be careful with the formula because they have given a wire length, linear mass density and nothing else. So for now the moment of inertia for the axis passing to the center and parallel to the plane of the ring is mr square by 2 plus h is nothing but r, radius itself, so r square, and that makes it 3 by 2 mr square. Now as we know, this wire is made from this loop or ring is made from a wire of length L, so we can say L is equal to 2 pi r, and so r can be written as L by 2 pi. So if we substitute that over here, we get 3 by 2 m into r square as L square by 4 pi square. At the same time they have given linear mass density as rho, which is m by L, so m can be written as rho into L. If we substitute that over here, we can replace this m with rho L, and so we get 3 rho L cube upon 8 pi square as the final answer.